Hey YouTube, I've been struck down with a relapse of this chest infection I had a week or so ago, so my normal video has been shelved. I'm putting together a few stills for the construction of the second shed, which is now being used to house the results of my project. I decided to put the shed down in the back corner of the yard, as close to the fence as the council bylaws would allow. And because of that, I extended the slab out to the fence line so they wouldn't have to get the mower in between the fence and the shed to mow the grass and weeds that inevitably grow there. So the shed itself was supplied by Cam Constructions down at Jimboomba, and I really can't speak highly enough of it. The quality of the materials that go into the shed are excellent, and the workmanship of the people that they sent out to erect the shed is superb. There's no end of trouble to make sure everything was just perfect. Now, comparing that to the previous shed that I have, and I won't say where I bought that, the other shed, quality of the materials aren't as good. The workmanship is certainly nowhere near the standards that people Cam sent out to do the job. And if ever I buy another shed, it'll certainly be coming from Cam Constructions. I hope to be over this chest infection in time to get next week's video out. In the meantime, if you'd like to see more of my projects, you can go to my channel or browse to my website. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Until next time.